Judd. I'm a permaculture and edible landscape designer and author from Frederick, Maryland. We're zone 6B. Today I want to talk to you about growing figs in this northern climate. We're right on the cusp for figs living outdoors, and I've trialed about 8 different varieties. All of these are different varieties that I've tried, and some have really proven to be better than others. So to save you some challenge, the winner is Chicago Hardy. It has produced the best, is the tastiest. When it freezes to the ground, it reshoots and fruits well in the same season. Second runner-up is Danny's Delight, has been good. Burns Brown Turkey, these have all done really well for us. One of the tricks to getting fruit to ripen in a shorter summer growing season is to keep them cut down so that the energy goes into the fruit and not into just growing the plant, which it will gladly do 12 to 15 feet tall. So what I do is I bring these down and I cut above a node, and I try to keep it at 3 whorls. So oftentimes you'll get 3 sets of leaves we call whorls, and I cut above that all the way around the plant. And what this will do will help some of the fruits that are just starting to grow but aren't maturing yet. Here we have an example of a young fruit. Now, this would not have enough time to fully ripen in our climate if I don't cut this back. By cutting that back, this now will put energy into ripening that fruit, and we should get these in the mid to late fall. Figs are very beautiful, deer resistant, easy to grow, but in the northern climates, you've got to play with them a bit. Sometimes also, after I've cut them all back in the wintertime, I will group them together. I will put a cage around it, and I will stuff them with leaves and cover that top with a polypropylene bag so that water can fall through, but the leaves don't settle. What that does is help protect the stems over winter so that next year they get a jump start and they'll start to grow right away. To learn more about pawpaws, figs, and a lot of other wonderful uncommon fruits, check out my book, Edible Landscaping with a Permaculture Twist, or my newly released For the Love of PawPaws.